Nightlight humidifiers are the perfect solution for those who want to add a little extra comfort to their bedroom. These humidifiers not only add moisture to the air but also feature a soft, soothing nightlight to help create a relaxing environment. There are many products available to choose from for nightlight humidifiers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, AZP 2.5L Smart Wi-Fi Baby Air Humidifier. The AZP 2.5L Smart Wi-Fi Baby Air Humidifier is a quiet and handy way to combat dry air in your bedroom. It has a smart app, voice, and touch control, and integrates with Alexa. Its sound-deadening design and sleep mode make it an excellent alternative for light sleepers, moms, and children. The top-fill design allows for easy cleaning and refilling, and the 2.5L water tank can humidify all night. The 8-color nightlight and 3 mist level modes provide a romantic ambience with an adjustable fog pace. It may also distribute essential oils, creating a beautiful scent. Number 2, Frida Baby 3-in-1 Humidifier. The Frida Baby 3-in-1 Humidifier is a multifunctional gadget that may improve your breathing and create a calming environment. It uses ultrasonic vibration technology to create a cool, hydrating mist that lasts up to 12 hours, and the mist adjuster allows you to choose the strength. The diffuser feature allows you to add essential oils for aromatherapy, and the color-changing nightlight creates a dreamlike mood. It also features an auto-stop function that shuts off the gadget when the water runs out or the tank is removed. You may use the humidifier, diffuser, and nightlight together or independently. Number 3, Morinto 4.5L Top Fill Humidifiers. Morinto Humidifiers is a 3-in-1 cool mist humidifier, essential oil diffuser, and hygrometer that can cover a space of up to 322 square foot, 30 square meters. With a full tank, the humidifiers may run for up to 50 hours and maintain the ideal humidity level between 40 to 80%. It also includes 3 adjustable mist settings, a 360 degrees rotating nozzle, and a timer that can be set for 2, 4, or 8 hours. The top fill design and detachable water tank make it simple to clean and replenish. The gentle nightlight ensures optimal comfort in the bedroom, infant room, and nursery. With the option to add essential oils, this indoor plant humidifier can offer enough moisture for your plants while also keeping them wet. Number 4, Lovewatt Humidifier with Nightlight. The Lovewatt Nightlight Humidifier is a 3-in-1 solution for your bedroom. This humidifier and diffuser is ideal for individuals who suffer from dry air at night since it provides moisture and produces a peaceful and scented atmosphere with its built-in night light. A 3-liter water tank provides 25 hours of continuous wetness, allowing you to sleep comfortably for numerous nights without the need for regular refills. The optional nightlight casts a soothing glow, lighting your way for late-night toilet excursions or providing a relaxing sleeping environment. Furthermore, the Lovewatt Nightlight Humidifier has a top-fill design, making it simple to refill with no spillage. It also doubles as an essential oil diffuser, allowing you to create a fragrant home spa experience. With its quiet and steady operation, you can sleep in total silence and wake up refreshed. Take control of the mist output with the adjustable knob, and direct the mist anywhere you like with the 360 degrees nozzle. Extend the life of your humidifier with Lovewatt 10-pack humidifier water filters. Upgrade your bedroom with the Lovewatt Nightlight Humidifier and enjoy a peaceful and comfortable sleep environment. Number 5, Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. The humidifiers for a large bedroom will improve breathing and promote a healthier life by eliminating dry air in minutes. This improved ultrasonic humidifier offers 7 color settings that allow you to create a peaceful environment for a better night's sleep. It produces moisture and fragrance and has 3 adjustable mist levels with a 360-degree spinning nozzle. The cool mist humidifier operates at barely 24 decibels, allowing you to sleep soundly without disturbing your pleasant dreams. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.